Here I have this farmhouse bookshelves, and it's really nicely packed. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and put it together. Here are the tools. So yeah, looks beautiful, looks nice. So this is the bookshelf. It has 5 shelves. 3 of the shelves, you could adjust them. It has holes right here on the top and the bottom. This one stays, this one's adjustable, and this one's adjustable. So you could move them around. Let's go ahead and fix it up. I really like the color also. Here's the bookshelf. So as you can see, you could put different things, whatever you want to display on your bookshelf. Really nice bookshelf.